Hi everyone. Now we will learn how to derive expression for displacement, velocity and acceleration in the case of simple harmonic motion, for which uh, let us consider one reference circle, okay, and say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now say a particle is moving in a circular motion, or it is undergoing simple harmonic motion. Say at any moment this is the position of the particle. Okay, so it has got one y component and it has got one x component. Okay, say the radius of the circular path here is a, or I call it as amplitude of simple harmonic motion. Say it is subtending an angle theta with the x-axis. Okay, so if a particle is moving with the constant angular velocity omega, okay, then theta will be equal to omega t. So using the equation theta is equal to omega t plus half alpha t square. So when the particle is moving with a constant angular velocity, angular acceleration will be equal to 0. So then we get theta is equal to omega naught t, or theta is equal to omega t. So here the angular velocity is omega. So theta can be written as omega t. So what is y component here? What is y component? That y component, we can write it as y is equal to a sine omega t, correct? No? Because what is this? This is the opposite side. Okay, so this is the angle is omega t. So opposite side is equal to hypotenuse into sine theta. So y is equal to a sine omega t. So then how to, so this is the expression for instantaneous displacement of a particle which is undergoing simple harmonic motion. So here a stands for amplitude. A stands for amplitude and omega is the angular frequency. Omega is angular frequency. Now how to calculate velocity? So velocity will be rate of change of displacement. V is equal to dy by dt, or differentiation of a sine omega t. So a into differentiation of sine omega t is cos omega t into omega. So therefore I can write it as V will be equal to a omega cos omega t. So this is the equation for velocity. So we got one equation for displacement already. Y is equal to a sine omega t. Equation for velocity is a omega cos omega t. So now how to calculate acceleration? Acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. So differentiate this velocity with respect to time, then what happens? So a omega into differentiation of cos omega t will be equal to minus sine omega t into omega, or that will be equal to acceleration. To avoid confusion, acceleration I will take it as a capital letter A. Okay, I'll write capital letter A is acceleration. Acceleration is equal to minus a omega square into sine omega t. So but we know that a sine omega t will be equal to y. So therefore a sine omega t can be replaced as y. So acceleration is equal to minus omega square y. Okay, so in general this is the equation for acceleration. Acceleration will be minus a omega square into sine omega t. So I'll write here equation for displacement is a sine omega t. Equation for velocity is a omega cos omega t. Equation for acceleration is minus a omega square sine omega t, minus a omega square sine omega t. So maximum value of displacement, okay, maximum value of displacement is equal to a. So what is this a? A is amplitude. Maximum value of displacement is amplitude. Maximum value of velocity, V maximum, will be equal to a omega, because highest value of cosine function will be equal to 1. Okay, so maximum value of acceleration will be equal to minus a omega square, since maximum value that sine omega t can take, that is equal to 1. For board examination purpose, till here if you do, it is okay. Till here you have to do. Okay, so write the equation of displacement, differentiate it, you will get the equation of velocity, differentiate with respect to time once again, then you will get equation for acceleration. Thank you very much.